On this video, I will show you about 4 basics in Microsoft Word. First, how to preset size. Second, how to know orientation, shirt, margin, and the last one, for how to preset column in Microsoft Word. Now being preset altogether. If you want to check your paper size, please click on Layout tab. And next, click Size button to show your paper size. After you click, there are many paper size show you. Now paper size default is A4. On the other hand, if you want to change your paper size to A5, click on Size button and choose A5 papers here. And I want to tell you that the A5 paper is smaller than A4 paper. Now I'm go back and then I choose the A4 paper here. So you see that the paper size A4 is bigger than A5. Next step, I want to tell you that if you want to change your papers to A3 size, you can do that. Click on this button. And next, click on this button to show drop down here and click on custom. And next, enter the number of width paper size and height paper size also. And if you don't know the size of the paper, please go to Chrome and next tap the paper size that you want to know. And after, click OK. After you change to A3 paper, it means that the paper A3 is bigger than A4. And you see that there is a 2 paper, and this is a A3 and one more is A4 size. Okay, I hope that you understand this step. So next step, I want to show you about the orientation in Microsoft Word. In the orientation, we have 2 tabs. First is portrait and one more is a landscape. So for example, I choose the landscape here, and the result, the paper will change. With the landscape papers, mean that is the width of the paper is long. So I hope that you understand this step. So the next step, I want to tell you that about margin in Microsoft Word. So if you are click on margin here, you will see that there are many functions or default of the preset margin. And we use the margin in Microsoft Word to prepare side, top, left, bottom, and right. So for example, I click on narrow function. After you click, adjust change on your paper size. Change all together here. I click on this line and you will see that the left of the margin is small. But one more, if you want to change to preset, is the normal. The result means that is bigger than narrow here. So for my experience, I use a normal to create a bookmark and about narrow to create the exam test. So I finished with margin. So I go on to how to preset column in Microsoft Word. So now in my paragraph, I have 2 columns here. That is my example. I want to show like that. First, select all text, or you can press Ctrl A. Next, click on column and click the second function here. This means that make your paragraph or your text has 2 columns. Anyway, if you want to add the line, it means that line center your columns. How can you do that? So first, click on column here, and next click more columns, and next it will show the dialog box here, and check on this box, click OK. So the result, you got 1 line show on the center of the paragraph. Okay, I hope that you understand this step. So more example, if I insert the paper here, I click on insert page and I write the text here like that. So the column is not continue after I insert peg. And the last one, if you want to remove columns so that it follows, first click on columns and choose the first one. So the text will back preset change. Finally, I would like to say thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more video.